Hi guys and welcome to this video. So in this video I'll be talking about tomorrow's intraday trading, yes, for the 20th April. So I'll be telling you the two stocks what I've selected for tomorrow's intraday trading, and also I'll be telling you the Nifty 50 support and resistance level for tomorrow's intraday trading, which is important. So make sure you watch the video till the end to get all the information for tomorrow's intraday trading. Okay, and before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel will be amazing. So I do upload a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel, so you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So if you guys like the videos, do subscribe to my channel. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made and the live trade what I do. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join my courses now. And also today we traded, and also have uploaded the today's live trading video what I have done. So today we traded on ICICI Bank short selling. So you can see that live trading video. The live trading video link will be given in the description of this video. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join my courses now. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, to provide NSE and MCX trading course, the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. the link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, by being said that, now let's see how the market has performed today. Okay, so the market closed at 0.94% down at 17,038. You can see the market has went down and took a support at the end of the day, and it has went up. Okay, from the afternoon the market started to recover and it has closed a little bit in the above section. Okay, so this is how the market has performed today. So tomorrow's support and resistance level are here for the Nifty 50. So the first support is 17,005, and the next support is 16,900. Okay, so almost 16,900 is the next support level where you can see here, and the resistance level is 17,112, and the next resistance level is around 17,164. Okay, so these two are the resistance level and this are the support level. Okay, for the Nifty support and resistance level for tomorrow. And now let me tell you the two stocks what I have selected for tomorrow's intraday trading. So the first stock is JSW Steel. Okay, so you can see how the JSW is trading here. So the Nifty metal has now started to recover. Okay, so today also it's giving a good recovery on its index on Nifty metal, so that's why I have selected the JSW steels for tomorrow. So this is the resistance and here is the support. So from support it has bounced back, if you guys can see here. So from the support it has gone up a bit, and today also it has tried to go up, and it is almost closing at 1719 today. So let's see how the stock will perform tomorrow. So once the market opens, according to the market, I'll be doing the buy or selling in JSW Steel. So keep in mind guys, this video is only for educational purpose. I'm not telling you to invest or trade in this stocks. This is my pure education and this is based on my pure studies. Okay, so if you guys want to get the update before I trade in the morning, you can join us now. So once you join us in the live market, I'll be guiding you like what I'll be trading. Okay, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And coming to the next stock, that is HDFC Bank. Okay, so you can see here HDFC Bank is also in a good support level, so that's why I plan to take this trade tomorrow on HDFC Bank. So I'll be trading either of the stock, okay, either HDFC Bank or JSW Steel. So here is a support level and the resistance level is around 1730 and the support level is around 1320. Okay, and now you can see the stock is easily trading above the support level, and you can see many times it has taken a support at almost close to the 1320. Okay, so it has touched the support level here and here also and here also, and you can see from here most of the time the stock has gone up. Okay, so that's why I am thinking to go the view on the stock is for the long side itself, but if the market is again bullish, then the view will be for the short selling. So once the market opens tomorrow, I'll be deciding whether it's a buy or sell. But right now I've selected the stocks to trade, that is JSW Steel and HDFC Bank, and once the market opens tomorrow, I'll be deciding whether I'll be buying or selling either of this stock. I'll be trading in one of the stocks tomorrow. Okay, so you can watch the live trade tomorrow. After I complete the trade, I do upload the live trade on my channel, so you can subscribe to my channel and stay tuned to see the live trading what I do. So thank you guys for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading, so you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys will learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.